Hello and welcome back to our channel, How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bask bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Bask Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or directly go to www.baskbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Bask Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, go to Login from the top right corner. It will then redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click to Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to Login. Then you should be able to access your Bask Bank account. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember Me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.